Good afternoon, YouTubers. What a long, tedious day. So yeah, I have been hammering and banging and welding and doing more hammering and a lot of grinding and an awful lot of head scratching and quite a bit of videoing using a GoPro and then scrapping it all because I don't know, you can't use a GoPro inside a case because the sound's rubbish and I haven't got any holes in the case to put an external mic on. I could drill holes in the case but then I get wind noise when I'm using the case on my crash helmet. So I suppose I need to go on eBay and find an open case. But that's a different story altogether. You didn't come here for that, you come here for this. And yeah, I'll tell you what I'll do, because I can't do this with a GoPro. I'll pause it and go around the other side. Huh. Why haven't they got a pause on a GoPro? How dumb is that? So that, although it does look quite humongous and it's taken away all the floor space, is really tight to the engine, and that's how it's going to have to be. Well, I really can't be bothered to do any more on that today, so I think I'll just get on the beer early. We got this kind of affair poking out at the top here. Of course, I'm going to have the engine in box out in order to make any sense of that lot. And the main thing that's got my head scratching is how easy is it going to be to get the engine in box out? Because at the moment I'm trying to engineer a flap in there so I can get to the bellows in bolts, but I'm not going to be able to get to more than 3. Difficult to get the starter ones. The only way to get real access to them is to have a transmission tunnel the size of a sofa, and I've got a couple of seats that got to go in here as well, so we don't need to be doing that. So that's another one I'm just going to have to do a little bit of head scratching on. Well, enough of that for today. Nothing else to report really. So I'll just go and investigate the fridge. Catch up with you lot later on. Cheerio now.